In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the File tab. This will take you to the main settings area where Excel stores account, save, and application preferences. Once you are there, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the window. Scroll all the way down in that left sidebar until you see Options, then click it. This opens the Excel Options pop-up window, which contains the main customization settings for the program. Inside this window, look again to the menu on the left-hand side and click Language. After that, find the section called Office Display Language. This is the area that controls the language used for Excel menus, buttons, and other interface elements. If the language you want is not already listed there, click the Add a Language button. A list of available languages will appear. Now choose your preferred language from the list. Take a moment to select the correct one, especially if there are regional variations of the same language. Once you have selected it, click Install. Excel may need to download the language package before it can be used, so give it a few moments if needed. When the installation is complete, return to the language list and find the language you just added. Click Set as Preferred. This tells Excel to use that language as the main display language going forward. This step is important because simply installing the language does not always make it the active one automatically. Next, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the Excel Options window. Excel will then show a restart notification letting you know that the changes will only take effect after the program is restarted. Click OK on that notification as well. Finally, close Microsoft Excel completely, then reopen it. Once Excel starts again, the display language should be updated to the one you selected. If the change does not appear right away, make sure the new language was installed successfully and set as preferred before restarting. That is the full process for changing the language in Excel. It only takes a few moments once you know where to look, and the key part is remembering to restart the program so the update can apply properly. That covers everything you need to know.